Alright guys, back out here at Fishing Carlos TV again. Once again, we're back out here. But today we're going to be fishing the Rio Grande River. We're going to be cooking up some breakfast right now. Right now I'm going to get these catfish rods rigged up, ready to go, and then we're going to get to cooking. Get what you guys once we get everything rigged up. Alright guys, getting all rigged up, sun's popping up. I'm just going to be showing you guys what I'm using for bait. We're using frozen bluegill. That's some frozen bluegill, some green stonefish, and I also got some trout in here we're using as bait. Let's get rigged up. Alright guys, that did not take long at all. We were getting set up, getting ready to make some breakfast. And we hooked in something. Alright guys, didn't take long at all for us to hook in a nice cat. Let's go ahead and get him unhooked. Alright guys, not even 5 minutes in and we caught this guy on a nice bluegill head. Swallowed it right there, right on the hook. Nice channel catfish, man. And we were getting rigged up, we were getting ready to start. Oh! Alright guys, I got this one. We're hooked up right now. And another one. Seems like another catfish right there. Let's go ahead and get this guy unhooked and bring this other one in. Nice little bullhead right there. Alright guys, we just hooked into this nice channel catfish. Not even 5 minutes in, I threw a frozen bluegill head out there with two size 4 jackhammer hooks. We caught this guy. Nice channel catfish. Let's get some pictures and release them. Alright guys, let's go ahead and release him. There he goes guys. Just like that. Let's go get our other one unhooked and put back. Guys, you just caught second little channel catfish right here. I thought it was a bullhead, but little channel catfish. Let's go get a picture and get him released. Alright guys, let's go ahead and release this little guy. There he goes, back to where he came from. Alright guys, we're just about to get the stove set up, get cooking our breakfast. So we hooked into something. It's got me tangled all up in my line. Carp. Alright guys, let's see if we can land this carp. Nice carp guys. Let's go ahead and get him a hook and show him to you guys. Alright guys, look at this carp we just caught out the Rio Grande River right here. And on that rod I was using some corn. Nice carp, this is my first common carp out the river. Let's go ahead and get him released. Walk down this way. Nice carp, man. Those guys. Alright guys, things got kind of hectic there getting bites before we can even get cooking. But I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up. Picked this single burner propane stove up at Walmart, see Ozark Trail. And I also picked up some propane cylinders to get to cooking. And I picked up a cast iron pan. And we got here a table setware for 2 people. Comes with 2. Also bought it at Walmart. Comes with 2 plates and 2 sets of silverware. And we're gonna be cooking some bacon and eggs. See if we can catch some more fish. And once we get to cooking, I'll get with you guys. Cast iron pot. Put our bacon in, let our bacon start cooking up. Nice little breakfast on the river. Alright guys, getting these eggs cooking. The bacon's already done. All set up. Let's see if we get some more fish. Alright guys, we got ourselves some breakfast, some egg with cheese, bacon, tortilla. Rods are all set up, waiting for a bite. Me and Babe about to eat. Shout out to Babe for helping me out making this. Let's go ahead and enjoy this nice meal. This is what it's all about, coming out here, fishing, doing what you love, having a little breakfast on the river. Let's go ahead and get to eating. We got our orange juice right there. Alright guys, it's official. The Ozark Trail, a single burner propane stove is pretty good for the price. Only about 18 bucks, 19 bucks at Walmart. Not too bad to buy it and come out here. Small, easy to carry, and reliable. And as for these right here, I had it on low and it cooked the food pretty good, so I had gotten a 2-pack of these at Walmart. All the gear I'm using today, as of the rods, all the cooking stuff, is gonna be down link down below in my description. So if you guys want to get any of this stuff or check it out, all the links will be down below. But now we're just gonna wait and maybe rebait all these rods and see if we can hook on some more fish before we get out of here. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. We're walking back to our car right now, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys are wondering what gear I use in all my videos, from now on I'm gonna be posting all the links to all my gear down below in the description of my videos. So you guys go check that out. And thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe what you guys thought about that catfish and those carp. But thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. It's gonna be it for today. Catch you guys in another one. Stay tuned.